10 healthy tips for beginning a workout routine. Set realistic goals. Start with realistic and achievable goals that align with your fitness level and lifestyle. Whether it's increasing endurance, building muscle, or improving flexibility, setting specific goals can help keep you motivated. Consult a professional. If you're new to working out or have any health concerns, consider consulting a fitness professional or personal trainer. They can provide guidance on proper form, suitable exercises, and creating a personalized workout plan. Start slowly. Begin with low-intensity workouts and gradually increase the intensity and duration as your fitness improves. Pushing yourself too hard too soon can lead to burnout or injury. Mix it up. Incorporate a variety of exercises into your routine, including cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and flexibility exercises. This not only keeps your workouts interesting but also ensures you're targeting different muscle groups and improving overall fitness. Warm up and cool down. Always start your workout with a proper warm-up to prepare your muscles and joints for exercise, and end with a cool down to help reduce muscle soreness and promote recovery. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body feels during and after exercise. If you experience pain or discomfort, it's essential to stop and rest or modify the exercise to prevent injury. Stay hydrated. Drink water before, during, and after your workouts to stay hydrated. Dehydration can negatively impact performance and recovery, so it's crucial to replenish fluids lost through sweat. Rest and recovery. Allow your body time to rest and recover between workouts. This includes getting adequate sleep, taking rest days, and incorporating active recovery activities like stretching or yoga. Consistency is key. Consistency is more important than intensity when it comes to building a fitness habit. Aim to exercise regularly, even if it's just for a short duration, rather than sporadically doing intense workouts. Enjoy the process. Find activities that you enjoy and that fit your interests and lifestyle. Whether it's hiking, dancing, swimming, or weightlifting, choosing activities you love will make it easier to stick to your workout routine in the long run. By following these tips, you can start your fitness journey on the right track and build a foundation for a healthy and active lifestyle.